Hello everyone, welcome to this unboxing of this guitar. It is an Epiphone 339 in Pelham Blue, so it should look like that. I hope you can see that. It looks really nice in there. Let's hope it's okay in the box. I ordered it on the 14th of May. It's now the 22nd of June. So it's took that long to get here, but that's right in the middle of the coronavirus outbreak, and they didn't have any in stock, and they didn't know when they were going to get any in stock. So that's about 6 weeks, so that's not too bad. Let's open it, see what it's like. Now the first thing to say is that this box is a bit squashed just here. Hopefully that hasn't made any difference, but we'll take a look at that as we open it up. These scissors will go down through here. Okay, in here we've got some packing and some more packing, and here it is, the guitar. There we are. Wow, that's a lot of packing. Okay, on the labelling we've got ET33PENH1, and then there's a code there, and ES339 Pro, various details, and a date there. That probably means 2004 means April 2020, so that's quite a new guitar because it's only June now. Okay, there's the one label, more barcodes and dates. Quantity only one, that's a shame. That looks fairly good, and if we turn that around and look at that other one, it's just a repeat of what's on the other end. Okay, let's do this. Let's get the scissors. Now this has got some tape on it. This has come from Anderton's in Guildford in the UK. And I had a previous guitar from them, didn't have the tape on, so I'm pleased that they've opened this up. Let's have a look. And see what we've got. Wow. Okay, let's have a look. Let's go from there first. Take that out, and let's pull that out of there. Wow, look at that. I've got a stand somewhere, I'll put that on. I'll go and get that. Okay, so in the box is a little bag with some stuff in. Let's see if there's anything else. No, that's just some packing. Anything else in there? No, nothing else. So that's that. So in here, again, yeah, that's just packing, I think. So in here I've got an Epiphone sticker, should you want such a thing. I've got a guarantee card, and I've got a small owner's manual handbook, and a poster to put on the wall with numerous different guitars on and pictures of guitars there. So that's what comes with the guitar. let's have a look at the guitar itself. Okay, so onto the actual guitar. It comes in this cellophane wrapper. Well, it's a white wrapper anyway, with a elastic band around the top. And then this is wrapped around here. Let's take that down there. And that comes off like that. And let's stand that one there. So I can put that on there properly. There we go. Oops. And that looks rather nice. Take that off. There's nothing else in there. There's a label in there. Do not discard. Valuable and important accessories in the box. Well, I haven't found any Allen keys yet for adjusting truss rods and things. Okay, so this is the guitar now on the stand, and I've had a quick look. I can't see any imperfections in the finish. It's this lovely Pelham Blue, and it's got vintage humbucking pickups, Pro Alnico Classic by Epiphone, it says there. It's got the coil tapping there, which splits these into single pickups. It is way out of tune. Even if you play a proper chord on there, it's way out of tune. Always makes me wonder what setup is done on these when it's so far out of tune. Perhaps they let the tension off during the travel, I don't know. Anyway, there we are. Still got the protective cover on the scratch plate there, so we'll take that off in a minute. But you can see the lovely fretboard there. I'll move up to the top there, and there it says ES339 Pro. There's the Epiphone logo. If I turn that around, you can see the back of it there. Lovely finish there. Smooth join there between the neck and the body. No obvious join there. It's a nice design there. Move all the way up there, so that finishes all the way up the neck. A couple of stickers then inspected by somebody, handcrafted in China. And there's the pickup and the tuners. I'm not an expert on tuners, so I'm not really sure what sort they are, but there we are. And that goes all the way up to the top. Like I said, I can't see any imperfections on it, and I haven't tried it out yet, but as it stands at the moment, it looks lovely. Okay, so I've now had a quick play on it. I tuned it up, and it wasn't that far out of tune actually. I've tuned it up, and I've had a quick play. I've tried out the coil tapping there and the switch positions, and I have to say, why would you not get a guitar with coil tapping? It works very, very well. Such a range of tones that you can get out of it. I'm not going to play it for you now, because you can see anybody on the internet playing it far better than me. It sounds great, it plays well, it's set up well, the intonation is spot on, the action is really nice. It just seems really, really good. And initially, after playing it for about half an hour, I'm really pleased. It looks good, it sounds great. It's a lovely guitar. Thanks very much.